In South Africa, people are just not getting justice. Such cases will be case lega namhla, right? When we all know what happened to her, it's the same as Senzo Mayo. We know exactly what happened there. The politician of a boyfriend who used to abuse her. Traps yeso. Shaya. He was trapping her like green eyes, basically. Because she was light. Also, you could see it was visible. And she worked for government. She used to go to work. She started going out with him. Guys, the politician but obviously he didn't do the job. He sent Inkabila Zazaki to do the job. When Unamhla came to the driveway, uthi antu wakhe ngezwa nje mina pa mangifika umntwana onjani. Ebuye emsebenzini. Amdubula. Ngobani ingane yayisikhathele isithi lalelake. Ngoba in some relationships njoba ubona how it's been, it's angibe nje ukuthi other children will be in these relationships because she wants a better life. Uzuqalisa se-high school, jola nobaba umdala, I want a better life, I want impilo engcono for ifamily yami. Mhlawumbe akazazi lezi zinto. For her, she's happy to be in a car with this guy. Amhambisa indawo amenza izinto. You understand my thing? I don't know, I even go into detail to such rubbish and crap that is happening to children out there. So I think namhla kwakanjalo just how he is the nice guy, But guys, into kanamhla noma ingathatha another 50 years. This guy usazosho esihogweni. That's just how I'm gonna put it bluntly. Yeah, usazosho esihogweni this guy. Into ayenza kulo mntana abantu. Khona manje ke because he is a politician, akuphumi ukuthi what happened. But we are aware. Even the aunties are aware, but bazokwenzani? Ayikho into abazoyenza. So uMkhwanazi was just relating to the case ukuthi even the family yakhona yazafona yathi sisacela usizo still asikakaphelelwa amandla. How do you forget about your loved one that has passed on? You don't, guys. And Antu wakhe has always explained to Auntie kanamhla ukuthi, you know what, ngikhumbula nje just lelo langa ngimkhumbule ngicabanga ukuthi hey, that picture will never leave her. Maybe let's put it that way. Ngeke zakhohlwa. Oh mom, she's just like, I've never seen anything like this. So I'm hoping with the case iqaliswe. We all hoping with the case they must look at it again. Because ngeke guys inkabi lezo ezamdubulayo if zisaphila, they need to out this guy. They need to tell us exactly ukuthi no, actually it was him. Nathi sikhathele uphile impilo ezibhlungu. Cause icase yakhona iyafana necase akaSenzo Mayo. People were paid. You can tell. We are not slow coaches as South Africans. Thule siyabuka. Yeah. Nabo kade somulifo sekuthiwa isithi manje judge, no, it was hearsay evidence. Yeah. State there was nothing much tangible that we can talk about and say, okay, ukade somulifo ngempela ke labantu abawu-10 enithi you did unalive them, or he was a mastermind in unaliving them, and he had ammunition, and you find some stuff there at his house. It's hearsay. It's speculation. Basically, you created those stories. Imagine, guys. I was just like, nalo le judge Lukhokelo. I did say on my other channel, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya ukuthi there's no way. Ubhadelwe lo. Ukhokhelwe kulo 400,000 uzothola 2 yena. Ngeke. It's impossible. And uzothola cash. Inkohlakalo eSouth Africa, guys, it's still going on. Just as much as Mkhwanazi has tried his best naye ukuthi akhiphe abantu one by one. But it's still gonna continue because people have been doing as they please for a long time without being reprimanded. We can see right through you. No. As long as kusasenjalo, ngeke bezobona nama-foreigners like I said on my other channel, bayazenzela laba abantu. kahle hle siphethwe ba cotshwana. There's nothing we can do. Futhi if it wasn't for i-MK ngaba khona sizo litheni ngoba i-EFF isize ngani mhlawumbe awukhona nosizo litheni ukuthi babasuse lapha edrobheni eJohannesburg because there you couldn't even move anymore. Umuntu ula emva kwakho, you can't do anything, akho space. Naba bathengisa just about anything and everything. But my question has always been, when would you go to Rwanda, the cleanest country in Africa, ufike ume nje in the middle of the streets udayisa? Ngeke ilakho sikhona ngaya wena ukuthengisa. But ama-Nigeria suke mafama kubo ungawazi, some dark villages zakhona, umuntu ezila uzodayisa and have entitlement. It's the African country kithi nami. Guys, there's some things that we need to look at and be like, hayibo. And then bese bethi thina samavila South Africans asifuna ukusebenza emagarage, asifuna ukusebenza ema-restaurants, asifuna ukusebenza ey'tolo. That is why they're taking over those restaurants. This is why those restaurants are actually closing down. Mostly by MK. They're just like, then if I couldn't give one South African la, ayi bye. Ngoba kuthiwa thina ngesimsebenzela 4,000. Sho njalo. Kuningi guys, lesiziqede manje onamhlaba abantu bayafela into abangazazi. So GBV basically is real. It's like getting out of hand, in fact. So ingime lapho guys, thank you so much. Ngithanda over.